Hi everyone. Now in this video I am going to show how to transfer large files more than 2 GB or 3 GB temporarily. So if you want to send this quantity of files or any videos to your friends or your relatives, you can use with the help of WeTransfer application. So now let's see how to send the files, video recordings or any other files more than 2 GB. We can use this application, WeTransfer application. In this, so I already log in. Without a login, if you register your email, any email ID, then you can send up to 3 GB files document. Now if I already registered my email ID, once you type WeTransfer.com, it will automatically come your email ID. So let's go to the step by step the videos how to send the files. At present I kept 2 GB, more than 2 GB files using the help of WeTransfer. So click add files. So this is my email ID already registered here. So this is the from address. This mail ID is from your email. So email to which email do you want to send the document more than 3 GB, more than 2 GB, up to 3 GB, you can send it. If you do not log in or unregistered email, unregistered WeTransfer, you cannot send it more than 2 GB. So let's go to add files. I kept the file in desktop. So see the 2.96 KB. This is the mail document I am sending in MP4 file, video file, IP modeling, the title, two other email ID. So this is the example. You can use this stepwise. I clicked the file, then click open. So it will come here. The pipe modeling MP4 2.8 GB MP4. One item I added here. So email to which email do you want to send? At gmail.com. sp3d@gmail.com. This is to address, email address. This is from address. This is the video file or document file title. You can send it. One more file also you can add it and send it, but within the 3 GB mail, 3 GB. More than 3 GB cannot send it. So let's click continue. Set password. No password. If you want to send it with the help of password, with the log password, you can set the password here. Just continue transfer. So it will transferring your files to the other email. So you have to wait until the successfully transferring. This is 2.8 GB. That is why it is taking few minutes. %, 21% transfer. So it is transferring 47%. This is a video recording file. So it is taking few minutes. Then network speed also have to. It is slow. The file uploading also slow. Internet, it is fast. It will upload fast. %42 remaining. Now 58% transferring. You can use this application WeTransfer to send the files, large files, 2 GB, 1 GB, 1.1 GB, 2.5 GB, up to 3 GB. It is free of cost. You can use this one at a temporary. After a few days it will expire. Within the expiring date, you have to download the files. Otherwise it will expire. The files will delete automatically. So we have to wait remaining files transferring. %93 completed. So 19% finalizing. So it is finalizing, almost there. So done. So it is done. Successfully transferred the file from sp3d structural gmail.com to, let's see, servo.jsp3d. This is the two address I received. A transfer. This is the mail ID. So let's click the file. Click get your files. It will download. See, just a click this one it will download here. Otherwise you can click here. Your download has started. This second. So it will download here. So it will take some time. So no need to worry, it will download in your computer. After that you can save where you want the files. You can save in your computer. Thank you for watching. Let's see another important videos. To be subscribe and likes. Thank you for watching.